Hey there friends, welcome to another crochet video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Shaky Sticks pattern. Now I really enjoy doing this pattern because it comes out pretty darn quick. So if you're looking for a quick stitch project or a quick stitch for a project, this is for you. So let's get started. So for this project, you are going to need to know how to chain and how to double crochet. Now you are going to start off by chaining multiples of 6 plus 4 until you end up getting the desired size for your project. Now while I work up these chains, I want to go ahead and let you know this is part of the patchwork blanket project. If you're not familiar with that, it's pretty much as we end up going and learning all these different stitches, we are setting them off to the side after we finish our little square swatches, and we're going to end up stitching them together into a blanket. Now consistency is key, so I'm trying to stay consistent with always crocheting 30 chains and then working 30 rows. So however many chains you end up chaining, that's how many rows you're going to do. And yeah, that's it. Let's get back to the video. Now that you have all of your chains, you're going to start off by working a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Then you're going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches. You're going to chain 3, then you're going to skip 3. Then you're going to go into the repeat for the rest of the row, which is going to be working 3 double crochets, chaining 3, skipping 3. You'll repeat this all the way to the end of the row and turn your work. So again, let's go over this. To start off row 1, you're going to start off by double crocheting in the 4th chain from the hook. Then you're going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 3, skip 3, and then you'll go into the repeat of working 3 double crochets, chaining 3, skipping 3, all the way to the end of the row. Alrighty, we are finishing off row 1. It is already looking fabulous, I can tell, but it does give you the framework for everything that's going to happen afterward in order to shape this pattern. Now for row 2, you are going to start off by chaining 3, and then we're going to go straight into the repeat. The repeat is going to be working 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space from the row below. Then you're going to chain 3 and you're going to skip the 3 stitches from the row below. You'll repeat this all the way into the last stitch, and then you're going to work 1 double crochet into the chain 3 edge from the row below. I'll show you that when we get there. But let's go ahead and cover again what you need to do for row 2. You're going to start off by chaining 3 and then jumping straight into the repeat of working 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space from below, chaining 3, skipping 3, and you'll repeat that until the very last stitch, where you're going to work 1 double crochet into the chain 3 edge from the row below. And here we are coming up to that chain 3 space that I was talking about, or that chain 3 at the beginning. You're just going to insert your hook into that stitch and work a double crochet. This is just so you end up with a beautiful, nice edge. So now you are going to go ahead and turn your work, and you are going to keep doing row 2 just the way it was, because that is going to be the repeat until you end up getting to the desired size for your project. So we'll cover it one more time. Repeat row 2 until you end up getting the desired size for your project. You are going to chain 3 to start off with. Work 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space from the row below, chain 3, skip 3, and you'll repeat this until the very last stitch, where you're going to end up working 1 double crochet into the chain 3 edge from the row below. Row 2 is the repeat, so after a while of doing this, you're going to end up with a very quick and beautiful crochet stitch design. And just like that, voila, you have finished. Now this is going to be my swatch for the patchwork blanket project I'm working on. Yours might look a little bit different depending on how many stitches or chains you started off with how many rows you ended up doing, and also the type of yarn you use. But hopefully, if anything, you pull out some yarn, some random yarn, and you decide that the Shaky Sticks is the crochet pattern you feel like doing today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I look forward to bringing you the next how to crochet video that's every other week, or it should be if I stay consistent. I do apologize for the weird gap in between videos. I got a little bit distracted with real world stuff. It happens. but I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.